With Independence Day just around the corner, this video is a tribute to the numerous people who laid down their life for India's freedom, especially the unsung heroes who have now been forgotten from the pages of Indian history. First on my list is the trio of Binoy, Badal and Dinesh. Binoy, Badal and Dinesh were a part of Bengal Volunteers, an underground radical group created by Netaji against British colonial rule in India. On 8th of December 1930, Binoy Basu, along with Dinesh Gupta and Badal Gupta, dressed in European clothing, entered the Secretariat building, the Writers' Building in Dalhousie Square at Kolkata. The three men opened fire at Colonel N.S. Simpson, who was the Inspector General Prison at Calcutta. Simpson was notorious for the brutal oppression of the inmates in jails. BBD killed Simpson to strike terror into the hearts of the British Raj officials. Their plan was to commit suicide right after killing Simpson because there was no escape route. Badal and Binoy committed suicide, but Dinesh failed at his attempt and was captured and later hung to death by the British. Dalhousie Square is now known as BBD Bagh as an honor for the sacrifice of these three men. Second on my list is Maulana Peer Ali, known for the Patna conspiracy case. Maulana Peer Ali Khan had declared that sacrificing oneself in the cause of liberation of one's motherland is the proof of one's love for his country. A bookbinder by profession, he printed numerous pamphlets and leaflets and helped pass on the message of revolution among Indians. His bookshop soon became a meeting point for freedom fighters and Indian soldiers in the British Army. He arranged regular campaigns against British. He was in the process of procuring weapons for an attack over English army stationed at Danapur, but the British arrested him and about 33 of his followers and sentenced everyone to death. Though tortured in custody to reveal the details of his Revolutionary Council members, Peer Ali kept smiling till he reached his last moments. Number 3 on my list is Kanaklata Barua, known as Bir Bala. She was just 17 years old when, on 20th September 1942, she led a group of 5,000 freedom fighters in a march towards Gopur police station. This group wanted to hoist the tricolour in support of the Quit India movement as called forward by Gandhiji. At the station, British forces opened indiscriminate fire on the group. Barua, being at the forefront, was shot dead at point-blank range. Despite being riddled with bullets, she did not let go of the flag as she fell to the ground. Next on my list is another hero of Indian freedom struggle, Matangini Hazra, popularly known as Gandhi Buri or Older Gandhi. Who knew that a frail old body held so much valor that when the do or die call was given during the Quit India movement, Matangi Hazra, a 73-year-old woman from Midnapur, West Bengal, led over 6,000 freedom fighters to ransack the Tamluk police station. When the police started firing, she continued her procession despite being battered with bullets. She died chanting Vande Mataram. Last on my list is Gorkha Shaheed Major Durga Malla. He was the first Gorkha soldier from the Indian National Army to sacrifice his life for the cause of Indian independence. At the age of 18, he joined the Gorkha Rifles. He soon came in contact with Netaji and in 1942 joined the INA. He was soon elevated to the ranks of a major due to his devotion to duty and his skills. He was working in the intelligence wing of the INA and was collecting information when he was caught in action at Kohima in 1944. He was given death sentence and he met his wife just for the second time in life before his hanging at the Delhi district jail. 25th of August, the day of his hanging, is observed as Balidan Divas or Martyrs' Day by Gorkhas all across India. We must salute the sacrifices made by all these people and numerous other Indians, because of which you and I enjoy the freedom of India today. Jai Hind. Learn something new? Subscribe for more.